My idea is possible.
Yes, it's me, it's me. It's me. Look, my idea, do you think it's good? It's also good. Thank you.
Guys, I'm worried.
Me too, guys.
I'm worried because until now we don't have our idea in our inventory. Wait guys, as an additional, other groups already have their own concepts.
Only. It's already time. We're sharing.
Speaking of, hey,
Why are we late? It's already time. We are worrying about our English project.
Sorry guys if I'm late. I'm late because I'm stuck in the traffic. But you don't need to be worried. I have my finalist idea so that we can have our project in speech communication.
Oh, really?
Yes. Yes. Do you still remember the Congo?
yup, PD.
We can use that piece.
But, how about my idea?
But I think that was the good one.
Let's just try it.
Yes.
Let's try it. Let's try
Okay,
it.
do the normal part. I'm on the floor.
I'm on the bread part. I'm on the chesty.
And of course, I'm on the tip part.
What are we waiting for?
Let's do it, guys.
The Congo!
The Congo. Their basic savagery. But
The banks in a wine barroom
Baron now skin
with feet unstable.
sand and rail and pounded on the table. Pounded on the table. Pounded on the table. Biran and Ribaldo with a big
Handle of a broom, hard as they were able.
boom, boom, boom. With a silk umbrella and a handle of a
Boomling, boomling, boomling.
boom. Then I had a religion. Then I had a vision.
I got started rebel into the direction. And I saw the Congo curving to the black, cutting to the forest with a golden shrub. Then, along the river bank, 1,000 miles. Tons of cannibals dancing in fights. Then, I heard the boom of the blood I saw, and a table beating on the tin pango. And blood screamed the whistle in the falls of the warrior. And blood
Scream the scalpels in its dog.
Rolling, stacking, fools are rattle. Already open, still lollicockles.
Rattle, 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 ring. Boom, lay, boom, lay, boom, lay, boom.
A roaring epic ragtime tune from the mountain of Congo to the mountain of the moon. That is an elephant. Torch eyes and horrible. Bone black and terrible.
Boom, still the pagans. Boom, kill the Arabs. Boom, kill the black men.
Oh.
Listen to the yell of the leopard ghost, burning in hell for a sunbeam host. Hear out the devil, chuckle and yell, God in his sense of down in hell. Listen to the creepy proclamation, blow to the lyres of the forest nation.
Blow with a flash, and seal my place. Be careful what you do, or Mambo Jumbo, God of the Congo, and all the others, God of the Congo.
Mambo Jumbo will voodoo you. Mambo Jumbo will voodoo you.
Mambo Jumbo, Hotel.
Oh, it's awesome. The idea of sharing is okay.
Yeah, that's right.
It's so great, right?
Right. You have the
Excellent.
right idea.
Excellent.
We hope that you like